Hi there! If you are stumbled upon this video from my eye tint tutorial, a warm welcome back to you. If you have new here, I'm thrilled to have you join our beauty community. I'm going to show you how to create stunning smoky eye using eye tint, and I promise it's easier than you think. Creating stunning smoky eyes specifically for those of us with the hooded lids. I know that many of you have had some struggles with the eye tints, especially since they aren't your typical eyeshadows. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. So grab your brushes and let's get started on this beautiful journey together. Apply the eye tint. With a small brush or your fingertip, gently dab the eye tint onto your lids. And now let's talk about blending. Using a clean blending brush, softly blend the tint into your crease. And only then I am going to add the second layer, the same color of tint, closely to the lash line. Focus on the outer corner and build up the intensity. I will do it twice, two layers. Look at the movements, only dabbing, don't swipe. Blend only the borders. After drying, you may swipe it a bit from side to side. Look at the uneven blending. Use a small amount of product for more controlled application. You can also build up the intensity. Don't forget to clean the edges of blending with a small fluffy brush with a concealer. Keep it clean. Make sure your brushes or fingers are clean to avoid any unwanted color transfer. I will show you how to elevate this makeup for different levels of skills. For example, level 2 is interesting for me because I'm going to talk about details, accents and small elements. The first level was about the form of the eyes, how to make it look bigger and change it a bit. I'm going to add graphic elements. Yes, it's time for eyeliners, just to support this gorgeous burgundy shade of eye tint and make the illusion of lifting for the droopy eyes. First step, prep your lids. Usually I use a concealer around the lids. I apply the eye tint only on the half of the lids. Then I look up and print it. After finding the highest point of applying the eye tint, I'm going to fill in the gaps. I'm blending it from the upper line to the lash line and then swipe it from side to side. Find the parallels between ends of the eyebrows and blending. And don't forget about low lash line to make the eyes bigger. Then find the low lash line and follow it. Clean the space between the eyebrows and eyeshadows. Apply some blushes to hide the grayish blending. Focus on the outer corners to prevent the red eyes. And don't forget to apply it on your cheeks. This technique will give you a fresh, harmonious appearance that ties your makeup together beautifully. I choose a silver liquid eye tint that has a reflective metallic finish. Ensure it complements the color you use on your cheeks, nose, lips and crease, also with your accessories. If you notice a gap, no worries, just add the second layer. Gently dab the eye tint onto the middle of your eyelids, where you see the naked skin. Blend edges and let them dry. Let the second layer of eye tint dry completely before moving on to the next step. Use a thin brush. A fine brush helps create precision and control, especially perfect for hooded eyes. This will help prevent any smudging or mixing with the other eyeshadows. After the tint has dried, you can add more mascara or touch up any other areas of your makeup with a concealer. And the last level is the most difficult for me because we are going through the most brilliant product, literally brilliant, it's sparkle. So the hardest part, because it's rather hard to stop adding more and more this beautiful product, the good tip is smudge it between your fingertips to prevent falling down the big particles. This optional step elevates the look, adding a glamorous finish that catches the light beautifully. A simple dab of shimmer can transform the eyes from ordinary to extraordinary. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beautiful tips, and let me know in the comments how your smoky eye turned out. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.